Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Genuine Health Clean Collagen. This is pineapple berry flavored. And we're going to do a quick taste test. If you guys want to read it, pause the video there. This doesn't have the Versol or anything like that though, but there we go. Let's open this up. Alright, so here it is. Open up. So yeah, the Versol are the patented versions, collagen, but this doesn't have it. This is just hydrolyzed collagen. So let's do a quick taste. It smells pretty cool. So, all right, see how well it dissolves here. Some of them don't dissolve that well. So, all right, there you go. Let's do a taste test. It's not bad. It's more of a berry taste than it is pineapple, but taste-wise, it's actually pretty good. All right, guys. Any questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.